Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a gradient colored text that has a color changing animation. Here is an example of what we're going to be making. The first thing we have to do is click on this Add Elements button, and we're going to grab a title and drag that over. We will edit this text to anything that you would want it to be. I'm also going to increase this font size to 72, and we're going to drag that out so that it's all on one line, and I'm going to position that to the center of the screen. Next we need to turn on dev mode. To do that we click on the curly brackets and click start coding. Next we're going to click on the CSS here to get to the global CSS file. We can delete the comments there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to select this text and we're going to give it a class of gradient text. Next we're going to use this gradient text by typing dot gradient text, and we need to write dot rich text, and that's because when we gave it this custom class, that custom class is on the container that this text is in, and we need to target the actual text and not the container. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to give it a background image for our color. I like to use color space to generate my color gradients, but you can use any gradient generator you want. I'm just going to copy and paste that over from there. And as we can see now, this has got the background color, but that isn't the effect that we want. So next what we have to do is we use background clip, and we want to set that to text. It might change already, it might not. No, sometimes you do need to use the web kit dash background clip and text, and we want to set the color to transparent, and now we've got our colored gradient text. Next we're going to set the background size, and I'm going to set this to 2000%, which seems very high, but it's because I want it to be mainly black at first. Next we need to create our animation. To do that we're going to write at keyframes, and then we write the name that we want this animation to be. I'm just going to call it show text, and then we open the brackets at 0%. So at the start of this animation we want the background position, background position to be 0%, and at 100% we want the background position to be 100%. Next we need to use this animation. To do that we come back to our class, gradient text class, and we type animation. We type the animation we want to use, which is show text. We put how long we want the animation to run for. I'm going to put linear because I want it to run at the same speed, and we want it to just go forwards. Now if we click preview, the text should change I'm going to change so that we can't really see the text when the page first loads. I'm going to set the background colour to the same colour as the starting of the gradient so we can't see it very well. So then we click preview and that background comes in with the nice little colour changing effect. And that's how you create a gradient text with a colour changing animation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments below. I hope you have found this video useful. Thank you for watching.